We have team 111.
Out of Arlington Heights, Illinois, it's Wild Stang.
And along with them, team 2039.
Out of Machesney Park, Illinois, it's Rockford Robotics.
And finishing up your Red Alliance, we have team 5822.
Out of Chicago, Illinois, it's Wolfbite.
Over on the Blue Alliance side, we have 4702.
Out of Chicago, Illinois, it's Cyber Dog.
By their side, we have 2010.
From Warren, Ohio, it's the Lightning Bots.
And finishing it off for the Blue Alliance, we have 6421.
Out of Muskego, Wisconsin, it's Warrior Bots.
We have a green light. Final check of the field. And we got our thumbs up. Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1. Power up.
And as our match begins, we've got motion from all 6 of our robots. Our Blue Alliance completes their auto quest. All 3 robots pass their auto line and they take possession of their switch. That's going to be a ranking point for Blue. Wild Stang attempt to take the scale in the autonomous period for the Red Alliance. They weren't quite able to make it. Their cube fell short. But one of their first moves in Teleop is to place a power cube. The Lightning Bots do the same thing for the Blue Alliance, meaning our scale is going to stay neutral at this point in time. Both alliances earning a single point per second because they have their respective switches. But Wild Stang tips the scale in the Red Alliance's favor to begin scoring 2 points per second. The Lightning Bots are not going to let that stand. They neutralize that scale almost immediately. Our Blue Alliance in the lead with a score of 84 points. The Red Alliance is 63 with 85 seconds to go in our match. We haven't had much use of power-ups yet, but both alliances are getting ready. Wolfbite of the Red Alliance passing power cubes through the exchange to the drive team. And the Blue Alliance activates our first power-up of the match. They use Levitate to get a free climb and 30 points. That's going to extend the Blue Alliance lead. Both alliances still consistently earning points from their switches. Not a lot of scale scoring. It's staying neutral most of our match. Less than a minute to go. Blue Alliance still in the lead, but the Red Alliance not letting that stand. They activate their force power up to force possession of the scale. That means they're earning 2 points per second, and they close the gap to just 6 points, 151 to 148. It's getting very close. 28 seconds to go. The Blue Alliance with a 30-point lead, but Red close behind. Robots are lining up on the platform. The Lightning Bots of Blue drop their ramps. Rockford Robotics in red going up to the ledge. 10 seconds to go. No robots climb just yet, but they're rushing and hurrying to do so. The Red Alliance uses their Levitate power-up to take the lead. It looks like in the final moments, the Red Alliance took the lead in that match. We'll wait for our final scores. And our qualification match 36 scores coming up now. The Red Alliance does it. They come from behind and they win the match 238 to 224. However, our Blue Alliance, they're not going home empty-handed. They did complete their auto quest, meaning despite their loss, they still take home 1 ranking point. That's going to help out 4702 Cyberdogs as they move up in our rankings.